Check these small spruce trees growing. This is usually the ski trail on Pamporovo. Very lovely place. And let's now check in the forest. Also, I'm checking for nice driftwoods here and there, but for now let me show you somehow the other side. Kind of there is a view towards here. That's about the north. That's about the north part. The check. This is a young beech tree. A young beech tree. That's kind of a pine type. Another small beech tree. This is so lovely area here, folks. Nice, right? There is another kind of a slide and lift here. Again, we are in Pamporovo Ski Resort. Let's see now the view down there. Should be uncovering now. Let's see what is it like here. Good. And the nice forest, which we will see shortly. First, let's see that down there is part of the Pamporovo called Malina down there. So calm and beautiful. Blueberries are growing. In July, August they'll be ready to eat. Hopefully, of course. For now they're good, growing fine. And this is a big slide down there, the Malina. It's a slope here. I see an ATV machine over there. Probably somebody is around. But check this. Indeed, a nice piece of driftwood, which we cannot take sometimes. The most beautiful ones we cannot take. I wonder if I go there, maybe some dogs or some people may be annoyed by me. I don't know. Let's see over there.